Do you feel like your legs are betraying you? Like no matter how much you walk, your knees ache, your balance falters, and climbing a single flight of stairs feels like a mountain? Here's the truth no one tells you. After 50, walking alone will not save your legs. It may keep your heart beating and your steps moving, but it won't stop the silent muscle loss that steals your strength, independence, and confidence. Your legs are not just for walking, they are the pillars that carry you through life. And the moment they weaken, every movement, every step, every daily task becomes harder, slower, and riskier. But there is hope, and it's simpler than you think. Forget long walks, expensive gym memberships, and complicated workouts. Today, I'm going to share the exercises that are actually restoring leg strength for people over 50, right at home. These are the same methods I use with my own clients. Tried, tested, and proven. No fancy equipment, no risky movements, just safe, effective strength-building exercises that will transform your legs, your balance, and your life. Let me start with a reality check. Most people believe walking is enough. You walk every day, you take the stairs when you can, and yet your knees ache, your hips feel stiff, and your legs feel weaker year after year. That's because muscles don't just survive, they need resistance. They need tension. They need to be reminded that they are essential. Walking alone only keeps your heart rate up. It does not challenge your muscles enough to keep them strong. And after 50, when muscle mass naturally declines, this neglect is costly. Weak legs are the hidden cause of knee pain, falls, lower back discomfort, and a creeping loss of independence. If you've been frustrated by pain, fatigue, or fear of falling, I want you to understand something crucial. It's not your age, it's your approach. With the right exercises, you can rebuild your legs, protect your knees, and regain confidence in movement. Let me give you an example. Mr. Moan, a retired income tax officer, was 65 when he came to me. Years of long working hours, travel, and sitting had weakened his legs. He could walk, yes, but stairs were exhausting, confidence in movement slipping. In just 12 weeks, using these exercises at home, he lost 4 inches from his waist, rebuilt leg strength, and most importantly, he trusted his body again. That's the real goal. This is not about six-pack abs or extreme workouts. It's about freedom, mobility, and the power to live independently. So what exactly happens in your body after 50? Years of sitting reduce blood flow to your hips. Your glutes stop firing properly. Hamstrings tighten, quads weaken, and suddenly your knees are bearing stress they were never designed to handle. Knee pain after 45 or 50 is rarely just a knee problem. It's a leg strength problem. You can walk all you want, but walking won't send the signal your muscles need to stay strong. Muscles need resistance. They need a challenge. That's why these exercises are so powerful. They provide that tension safely, efficiently, and effectively. Let's start with one of the simplest, most overlooked exercises, calf raises done correctly. Most people rush through them, bouncing up and down, missing the point entirely. Here's how to do them right. Stand facing a wall and place your hands lightly on it for support. Step back 2 or 3 steps. Keep your heels on the ground. You should already feel a stretch in your calves. That stretch is key. Slowly lift your heels, hold for a second at the top, and then lower slowly, letting your heels sink and stretch again. No rushing, no momentum. This stretch and contract pattern strengthens your ankles, improves balance, and boosts circulation. Start with 2 sets of 10 slow repetitions. It alone can reduce instability and fear of slipping, a common concern for anyone over 50. Next, we tackle single leg strength, one of the most important elements for safe, powerful movement. The Bulgarian split squat is incredible if your knees tolerate it. 1 foot forward, back foot resting on a chair or sofa, chest tall. Lower slowly, then push back through the heel of your front leg. This cue is critical. Pushing through the heel shifts stress away from the knee and into the glute and hip, protecting your joints. If knee pain is already present, swap for reverse lunges, which are much easier on the knees because you step back instead of forward. Maintain control, push through the heel, let your glutes do the work. Start with 2 sets of 8 repetitions per leg, slow and controlled, with no ego. Now let's target a frequently neglected muscle, your glutes. Weak glutes are a hidden cause of knee pain, lower back discomfort, poor posture, and loss of leg strength. The isometric glute bridge is your secret weapon. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Squeeze your glutes before lifting your hips, pushing the floor away with your heels. Hold, breathe, feel the strength building. This exercise is simple, safe, and extremely effective. One client, Nathan, 50, software professional, struggled with knee and back pain from years of sitting. After 3 months using these exercises, he lost 10 to 12 kilos, dropped 5 inches from his belly, and his leg strength improved dramatically. Start by holding the bridge for 15 to 20 seconds, rest, then repeat. For days when your joints feel sensitive, the wall squat is perfect. Back against the wall, feet slightly forward. Slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Keep pressure on your heels, not your toes. Hold, breathe, stay relaxed. This builds muscular endurance, the kind you need for stairs, long walks, and daily life. Begin with 20-30 seconds, gradually increasing as strength improves. One of the most practical exercises over 50 is the single leg step up. Using a stable step, chair or bench, place one foot on the step, push through your heel, stand up, then come down slowly. Do all reps on one leg before switching. Adjust height for comfort, focus on control, not height. This strengthens quads and glutes while retraining your nervous system for real-life movement. Stairs, curbs, uneven surfaces. Start with 10 repetitions per leg, slow and deliberate. Let me share another success story. Abra, 52, VP at a multinational company, came to me fatigued, low in energy, low testosterone, and struggling with leg strength. High stress, long hours, constant pressure. After 12 weeks of structured training using these exact exercises, Abra lost 3 inches from his waist, regained leg strength, and moved through daily life with confidence and stability. That's the power of correct, consistent strength training. Remember, these exercises are effective not because they are fancy, but because they restore the muscle-brain connection, respect joint mechanics, and provide resistance. Walking alone cannot do this. Supplements like creatine may support muscle function after 50, but no supplement works without proper training. Consistency beats everything. If your goal is not just to lose weight, but to stay strong, confident, independent, this is your path. Here's the final truth. Leg strength is freedom. Strong legs give you confidence on stairs, security on uneven ground, and independence in daily life. Weak legs take away your freedom, make ordinary movements risky, and chip away at self-confidence. But with the right exercises, the right approach, and a commitment to your health, you can reverse years of decline, restore strength, and live life on your terms. Start today. Begin with calf raises, glute bridges, wall squats, step-ups, and safe single-leg exercises. Progress gradually, focus on control, breathe deeply, and honor your body's limits. Track your strength, celebrate your progress, and watch as your legs transform from weak, shaky pillars to strong, resilient pillars of power. Your independence, balance, and mobility will thank you. If you're ready to take this seriously, there's a structured program I offer that dives deeper into restoring leg strength, fat loss, and overall vitality for people over 50. But even without it, these exercises alone are powerful enough to reclaim your movement, your confidence, and your life. The difference between staying strong and losing independence is action. It's not magic, it's consistent, smart training. So, forget endless walking, forget the pain and frustration of weak legs. Take control, commit to these exercises, respect the process, and you will feel the transformation. After 50, your legs are not just limbs, they are your freedom, your strength, and your independence. Protect them, strengthen them, and watch how life opens up again when you move with power, stability, and confidence. Your journey starts now. 2 sets of calf raises, 8 reverse lunges per leg, 15-second glute bridges, wall squats for 20 seconds, 10 controlled step-ups per leg. Repeat daily, progress weekly, and remember this. Every repetition is a step toward a stronger, healthier, unstoppable you. Your legs are your foundation. Build them, and your life will rise with you. If you're ready to take control of your strength, your mobility, and your independence, start today. Don't wait for knee pain, weakness, or fear to slow you down. Try these exercises, commit to your progress, and feel your legs grow stronger with every step. Like this video if you're serious about reclaiming your power, subscribe to the Seniors Hub for more life-changing tips, and share this with someone you care about who deserves stronger, healthier legs. Your future self will thank you. Take action now and start your journey to strength, confidence, and freedom today.